Once you've chosen a device, you need to connect it to the internet. There are two main ways to connect to the internet: through a wired cable or fiber connection, or through a wireless data plan. With cable or fiber internet, the signals go through cables that are usually in the ground. With a wireless data plan, the internet connection is made possible using a wireless signal. The signal also allows you to make phone calls from a smartphone. You can use a wireless data plan anywhere you can get a cell phone signal, but it usually costs a bit more. Cable or fiber internet is usually more affordable, but you can only connect to the internet from your house. It does let you connect to the internet with more than one device though, which is helpful if you have a PC and a tablet, for example. You can also set up a Wi-Fi network in your house so your devices can connect to the internet wirelessly without needing to plug a cable into your device. You will need a router to be able to set up a Wi-Fi network and can usually rent or purchase one from your internet service provider. Whether you choose cable, fiber, or a wireless data plan, you will pay a fee for a certain amount of data you can use each month. If you go over the limit, your internet connection speed may slow down or you may need to pay extra fees. Data is measured in megabytes and gigabytes. 1,000 megabytes equals 1 gigabyte. Things like an email will be a few megabytes or less, while a video might be hundreds of megabytes or more. You can usually ask your internet or wireless service provider to let you know if you're getting near your data limit. A lot of libraries, coffee shops, city buildings, and other public places now have free Wi-Fi, letting you connect to the internet for free. If you have access to Wi-Fi like this, or you have Wi-Fi set up at home, you should use it when you can instead of using your wireless data plan. This way you can save money and save your wireless data for times when you don't have Wi-Fi access. For more information on online basics, check out the other videos in the series. Visit our website at telus.com/wiseonlinebasics.